Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I was only adding to what Honorable Member from Moro had said about the sanitary pads. When he talked about condoms, I wanted just to clarify that condoms are voluntal, but when it comes to menstrual, we were born with it and Alice, we live that way. Thank you.
Question time. You are out of
order.
I was just. You are out of order. You can approach Honorable Kimana and lecture him on that. John Mutunga.
Honourable Speaker, I rise to congratulate the CS Education for the good work he's doing. But Honourable Speaker, all the members here agree with me that the ministry is facing a very difficult time to implement this new education system. Honourable Speaker, I happen to be involved in making sure that it happens because I'm an investor in education. But I can assure you that I do not know in this country who is clear. And I would like the Honourable CS to tell us the extent to which the ministry is clear on the expected products from this system, where